How to set calendar event default alert times on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Calendar app. After click on Calendar app, click on this tree line icon and click on Settings icon. Now in Calendar settings, scroll down, and click on Default Alert Time. After click on default alert time, you will see event says here. After click on event, if you want to set calendar event default alert times, so you will see 10 minutes before, 1 hour before, 1 day before, at time of the event. If you want to custom, so you will custom on weeks, days, minutes, and after set event, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set calendar event default alert time on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.